How to redeem the Costco rewards. Hey guys, let's get started. The Costco Anywhere Visa card lets you earn cashback rewards at any location that accepts the Visa card. So if you're redeeming rewards earned from your Costco Anywhere Visa, you receive your cashback reward in a reward certificate issued within your February billing statement. Any Costco Anywhere Visa card holder whose card is still open, who is an active Costco member, and has earned more than $1 in rewards is eligible to receive a reward certificate. You can access the reward certificates via the City Mobiles app. Likewise, if you want to use your Costco cash rewards, once you have received a reward certificate, you can only spend your certificate at physical Costco warehouse. You cannot use the certificate online or on your own credit card payments or other city credit reward cards. However, you can redeem your reward certificate for cash at a Costco location. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.